Next, find the value of what? 45 cube minus 65 cube minus 20 cube. This is what we have to find. Now this is, you'll have to do it yourself. 45 into 45 into 45 3 times. The answer is 91125. 65 into 65 into 65 274625, and this is 20 cube is easy, 8 and 3 zeros, 8000. Okay. Now in subtraction, what you do is 91125, which is bigger? So minus 274625 is bigger. So 274625 minus 91125, and sign of the bigger one, and then minus this will become minus something, minus 8000. So the final answer will be minus 191,500. You try it yourself. See, this multiplication is a tougher part, but you'll have to do it. There is no option for this. Next, the cube of an odd natural number